how to access your superannuation summary via AustralianSuper App. Welcome! This guide will show you how to easily access your superannuation summary using the AustralianSuper Mobile App, so you can stay up to date with your retirement savings at any time. Begin by launching the AustralianSuper App on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in using your member login credentials. If you haven't registered yet, you can do so directly in the app. Once logged in, head to the home screen or main menu. Look for the Account or My Super section. This is where your account details are located. Inside your account dashboard, locate and tap on the Super Summary or Balance Overview. This will take you to a snapshot of your superannuation status. You'll now see a detailed summary of your super account, including your current balance, recent employer and personal contributions, investment returns, and a breakdown of your transactions. If you need a copy of your super summary, tap Download or Share button. You can email the summary or save it for your records, which is helpful during financial planning or tax time. That's it! You have successfully accessed your superannuation summary via the AustralianSuper App. Make a habit of checking in regularly to monitor your contributions and investment growth.